Every Monday, me and the clients wake up early in the morning and go for a walk. We don't. I do, they don't. The plans that you put together for the next 60 days, 90 days, 100 days, 9 times out of 10, they don't get implemented. And 9 times out of 10, they change before the end of the 90 days or the 100 days. We plan in 6-week cycles, and each week we plan the details of that week. So we know exactly every day what actions we're going to take so that by the end of it, we are crushing it. There is a ritual that we just go through every Monday morning. Let me show you that ritual. So whether you're a client or not, you can take advantage of the momentum you can build for yourself within a matter of 5-10 minutes every Monday morning. All right, let's go inside, pull out the iPad, I'll show you everything. So the Monday ritual that we go through is right here. Let's go through it. We call it Momentum Monday. And it looks something like this. The first thing we start with are the wins. Us, business owners, especially coaches, probably most business owners, but especially coaches, we don't celebrate the wins. We always look for what's wrong and the next problem to solve instead of actually celebrating the wins that we do have. So every single Monday, I train myself and all of our clients to notice the small wins and celebrate them together. At least 2 wins from the past 7 days or from the past week. Sometimes it's new clients and cash collected and record weeks. Sometimes it's as small as we had a nice time in Greece, we had a cool down, and also our marketing flow is going perfectly. So that's a win. First thing that we do. The second thing that we do is, of course, our lessons. It's always good to celebrate the wins, but it's almost as important to notice the lessons I learned from last week that I can carry forward to the next week and make next week even better. So the lessons from last week, this one happens to be one that I got from Layla Hormozi. I like it, so that's my lesson for the week. I'm not going to say it out loud, but I can read it. Now we get to the planning section. So first we do the wins, then we do the lessons, then we get laser focused for the week. And for the entire week, we only have one focus, one big project that we have to focus on that goes in a circle. But looking at a big project is always overwhelming and totally scary. So instead of pulling our hair and just procrastinating for no reason, we're going to break it down into baby steps. 4, 5, 3, as many steps as we need. And that typically goes on the left-hand side. We break down the big project into baby steps. But it's not just the project that we have to focus on. Me and you, we both have businesses, which means we got to work with the clients. We got to do a bunch of different things just to get the business kind of maintained and keep it going. So it's the project on the left-hand side over here. But then our to-do list goes on the right-hand side over there. Once we have this, we got a really decent ingredient list. We know what the ingredients are for a perfect week, but we still don't know when to do them. So that's where the commitment section of the ritual comes in, where we're going to take these and put them on which day of the week we're going to get them done. We're going to commit this day. These are the stuff that we're going to get them done. And a hack that I'll give to all of my clients that has saved my ass multiple times, countless times, is packing the first 2 or 3 days as much as I possibly can and leaving the last 2 days of the week kind of empty, because best case scenario, I get everything done on time and I have a long weekend, like a 3-day weekend, 4-day weekend. It sounds good. Or something goes wrong during these days, which means now I have to use these last 2 weeks to catch up. But no matter what happens, whether the week goes well or goes terribly wrong, at the end of the week, my tasks are done. So we always pack the first few days so that the last few days is either going to be relaxed because we've done everything, or catch up so that the week doesn't go wrong. And if we have amazing days every day, we got good weeks. If we got successful good weeks every single week, then we have great months. And if we have multiple months that are great back to back, guess what? We have a great year. And for some reason I'm blurry. Let me fix that. That's better. Cool. So once you have the days, all you gotta do is have this in front of you every single day, laser focus, no more planning, no more deciding what to do, just do the damn thing. Like today, shooting a video, done. This is a video for Thursday. It's done. We're good to go. And I can call it a day because I've got nothing else to do for today until tomorrow, which is just 2 easy peasy things, and I've got the rest of the day free for myself. If you guys like a copy of that PDF so you can use it yourself, all you gotta do is comment momentum down below, and I'll make sure the team sends you a link that you can download the PDF, take it, use it, enjoy it. And the only thing I ask of you in return is, if you know a coach out there that needs some sort of planning, some sort of structure every single week, send them this video so they can grab the PDF, they can plan everything, and they can stay laser focused and hit their goals. All thanks to you for sharing it with them. With that being said, I'll see you around, probably on other videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun planning.